Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club, so I do want to say this one might be new. You do get 3 of them. They come with a little tin. Happy Easter. You get like caramels, a pretzel chocolate, and maybe a hollow bunny, and maybe popcorn in the back. These are going to be $25. Now on the eggs, you guys, if you like the white chocolate and regular, it's $28 for 145. I honestly feel like that's kind of expensive. Now that I look at the price of candy, comparing it, you know, it's gone kind of crazy. Okay. I don't think we're going to see too much anything new. 10:48 here. Limited time only. Now this one's a mix. You get the robin eggs in here too with the Hershey's. I do know they have a robin eggs bag. Yeah, that's still around. And these are 10 and 13.48. $9.12. What is this one? Hershey's white cream with popping candy, so kind of like Pop Rocks maybe on the inside.
Pop Rock s'mores, that just sounds like crap.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of that, but maybe Memorial Day. That looks like 4th of July type of vibes. They do have a s'more kit. They always bring this one out all the time for $12.34, and you get to make 18. Did you guys hear that they say they're gonna take hot Cheetos with the lime off the market or something? I'm not too sure how true that is, but my son came in my door at night, you know, telling me. I'm like, okay. I don't know why. Maybe it's not good for you, cost, I don't know. Slim Jim is gonna be $28.48, 11 grams of protein. Who remembers the commercial? Who was in that commercial? $11.98 here. And everything here is a snack, you guys. I don't see anything too new. We have honey buns for $6.52. If you want the Danish, they will be $15.34. You get 32 in here for $9.12. The donuts will be $10.98, so 11, just gonna round that. And if you just want like the frosted chocolate, $7.68. And they do have the frosted white one. The powdered donut, Nutty Buddies, $7.48. Oatmeal pies are $7.48, and you get 24. These are $12.26. So we have like a party cake one, and they do have like a chocolate chip. Ooh, this one's new. $12.26. The fudge brownie one. Oh, they're by Enemans. I didn't know that.
Oh, okay.
Because sometimes I buy the little pop ones. Okay, these are $10.28. The muffins, you get 6 pieces in a bag. And the Pinguinos are $9.98. You can also find this in your Costco Business Center. So surprised to find this here, $11.12. Same with that over there. These are $8.48 in the back. Crunch berries, you get 2 for $5.92. Velveeta, $12.98, so 13. I mean, you do get 8 boxes if you're trying to stock up on like food. I know a lot of people are. Just something to have in your cabinet. You get 8 in there for pretty much 13. It looks like these went down, well, $1 off. $6.48 here. $6.46 for the Reese's Puffs. And only $5.48. Tropical Gold pineapple and 100% pineapple juice. These are non-GMO. And you get 4. They're like little mini cans. I do love pineapple. Oh, we have papaya mango today. So you get 16 for $8.48. Pinto beans are $5.98, and you will get 6 in here. Now, if you love black beans, these are going to be $5.98 as well. Baked beans, $11.22, and that is an 8-pack. You want some chili, no beans, $12.22, and with bean is $10.24, and you get 6. So they have roasted chicken ready to go. This one's new because normally they only have jasmine here. These are $10.98. You get 6 pouches. Again, this is like just to save on the go. Like, I buy stuff like this for my kid. I don't have a rice cooker, but I usually buy the jasmine. Jasmine's 11. This used to be cheaper. $12.28 here. We have rice-a-roni. Haven't had this in, gosh, forever. I wonder if this will be good for the teen center. My daughter just informed me that they have like a burner and people were making macaroni and stuff. I'm like, they were? I mean, they have a microwave and stuff, but look at that. I know kids, they're always hungry. $12.28, but you get 12 in here. Sugar-free barbecue sauce, you get 2 in here. No idea how much this would be, but Japanese barbecue cooking sauce and glaze sounds pretty good to me. The queso, $7.98. These are pretty large too, bigger than Walmart. By Members Mark, they do have the black beans, non-GMO. This is a 12-pound bag. 12 pound for black beans. And they also have the pinto beans. They're non-GMO, and that's 12 pounds as well. Rice here, $12.78, and that is going to be long grain. It is a 25-pound bag. Jasmine, 25-pound bag, 18. And 21. I'm just going to round it. It's a 20-pound, $20.78. Cilantro lime for $4.36. They also have rosemary garlic for $4.82. And Greek seasoning is $5.78. Let's see, on the cups we have Velveeta. The Velveeta cups are $10.48, and you will get 12. They do have the Kraft mac and cheese. 12. Yeah, you get 12 for $10.48. I don't think I've seen this one, but it's going to be $8.48. You get 4 buttery and 4 roasted garlic. Okay, this comes in really good for like if you're making stew. I just made like beef stew, and a lot of people put flour in for thickening. I use mashed potatoes. $8.98 here for a 6-pack. Chef Boyardee, or yeah, is that what it's called? Boyardee. You get 12 cans for $12.58. I used to love this stuff as a kid. I wish they had it in cups though. That would be a good donation, I think. Right now the cooked shrimp is $9.91. So by Members Mark, $8.78, and this is a 40-ounce. Brisket barbecue baked beans. My son loves baked beans. Like I have to make that like every Thanksgiving and Christmas. So they have fried, pickled, and ranch dip. Oh wow, that is $5. Sam's Club always has new dips compared to Costco, I've noticed. Down here, the Homestyle Ranch is $4.98, so $5. Then we have spinach and artichoke dip, which is like my absolute favorite to get in restaurants, but they're really pricey. You know how they charge you up the butt for like even guac and chips? Oh gosh.
Just a little scoop.
$7.48.
Like $10
I
for a
know.
restaurant.
Jalapeno artichoke. This one is $8. And the cilantro one's pretty good, you guys. $6.28. I haven't tried the mango one. Avocado salsa, $7.28, and that is a 32-ounce. Oh my. Buffalo style chicken, $10.28. Okay, lemonade, vodka. Let me see. By Members Mark, strawberry lemonade. This one's going to be $10. Let me pull it out for you. There we go. That is a new summer fun. They also have pineapple mango flavored. Now this is by Truly for $10.98, so 11. Look how stinking adorable. They're hooded towels, so this is great for the beach or if your kid is doing some swimming lessons in the springtime, summertime. It is towel hooded. I love that. I think there is like a, I don't know if that's part of it. That dog looking one, I'm not too sure. Okay, for books. Let's see, Nora Roberts, Bed of Roses. Oh, that, you know what, you guys? That's an actual good movie with Christian Slater. It's an old movie. Haven't seen it in forever, but really, really good movie, Bed of Roses. That's all that is here. I'm still upset that there's no magazines. Because who hates magazines? Sam's Club apparently does. This is about it for the book department. A lot of Tom Clancy. And then of course we have like Search and Find, Cocomelon, jumbo pad of numbers. A lot of these we have seen, like the big like workbooks for kindergarten, preschool, science, brain quest. I don't remember seeing this for dogs. You get 180 for $12.98, so $13, made in the USA. $29.98. Look at this one for cats, the Infinity Cardboard Scratcher. Pizza pans are $19.98, and you will get 2, you guys, and you know it's a really, really good brand. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I don't see anything else too new in Sam's Club. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.